Hey everyone, welcome to our new episode of user version plugin. In this episode, I'll show you how to protect username into WordPress. So before you get started, you will need to search for the user version from your WordPress dashboard. You will see the plugin user version by P plugins. You will need to install and activate the plugin. So once you activate the plugin, you will see the user version menu under the users. So we are on the user version dashboard. This plugin is super useful for product spam, email verification, magic login, audit login, and recaps and email validation. So under the spam protection, we are not going to explore all this feature. Let's focus on spam protection, enable user. You can enable or disable this feature. Simply set to yes to enable, and you'll see the options for block username. You can put username list into the list field, and once you are done with the settings and save the options, and go to your registration page. So let's try with the username administrator. You see the warning administrator username block, and let's try with guest. The guest is not allowed as guest is already in our list. Also, let's try with the test, and you see the test username is not allowed. And let's try with the push with 1 2 3. Let's try what is happening. And you see the test 1 2 3 is not allowed as we have the test is listed in our list, so it's not allowed. So as you see, this is perfectly working for block your preserved username. This is super useful for protect your community and confuse username. So I hope you love this. Thank you so much.